We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. As it turns out, there could be some truth behind that old expression. Apples are naturally free of sodium and fat, as well as rich in fiber. In fact, one apple contains about 20% of your daily recommended fiber intake, which will help regulate digestion and promote proper absorption of nutrients. Modern research has shown apples naturally contain flavonoids and polyphenols, two compounds that may reduce your risk for certain cancers, including pancreatic and bowel cancer. Other studies found that people who regularly consume apples are more likely to have a reduced risk for diabetes and heart disease. 60% of all apples consumed in the US are grown right here in Washington. In fact, the apple industry contributes over $2 billion a year and provides about 60,000 jobs to the state economy. 7 main varieties can be found on store shelves, including Red and Golden Delicious, Fuji, Gala, Granny Smith, Crips Pink, and my personal favorite, Honeycrisp. While apples are harvested in the fall season, modern storage techniques allow all Americans the ability to enjoy fresh and delicious Washington-grown apples all year round.